Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up API rate limiting with Cloudflare for mobile backends. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To set up API rate limiting with Cloudflare for your mobile backends, begin by logging into your Cloudflare account. Navigate to the dashboard of the site you wish to configure. Select the firewall option from the menu. Click on Tools under the firewall settings. In the Tools section, look for the rate limiting option. Click on Create a Rate Limiting Rule. Here, you'll define the settings for your rate limiting. First, choose the appropriate URL pattern for your API endpoint. This specific pattern should reflect the routes you want to protect. Next, define the threshold for the rate limiting. This is the maximum number of requests allowed within a specified time frame. You can set this limit according to your backend capabilities. Modify the period duration for which the rate limiting will apply. Common options are 1 second, 1 minute, or possibly longer. Now, specify the action that should be taken when the limit is exceeded. You may choose to block, challenge, or log the requests. Create a custom message to be displayed to users who exceed the limit. This will guide them on what actions they can take next. Once all settings are configured, review them for accuracy. Confirm that everything aligns with your API usage patterns. Finally, save your settings and activate the rate limiting rule. Monitor the impact of these changes through Cloudflare's analytics dashboard. Adjust the settings as necessary based on user feedback and usage data. This completes the setup for API rate limiting with Cloudflare for your mobile backends. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.